Hello guys, today we're going to go through all the top tricks that your JBL Go 5 has. So, actually we can start with the basics. Here, as you can see, we've got LED lights, both here, LED light strip, and here. Based on the color, you've got different, of course, LED color. I mean, if you've got purple speaker, you've got purple LED lights. If you got red, you've got red. I don't know why they decided to put white LED strips on the black speaker. I thought that orange will be a better choice, but that's for sure the top trick. Apart from that, we can go to the software. So as you can see, when it comes to the software, it doesn't really matter if it's an iPhone or Android phone. We've got here the app. The application is called JBL Portable. You need to open it, and you've got every single setting you just wanted to have on this speaker. So actually, when it comes to the top tricks right here, I don't really think that Equalizer in 2026 is a top trick, but it's worth mentioning. But what I wanted to mention here is Playtime Boost. You can boost up sound and prolong playtime just by tapping this tick over here. And of course, stereo group is here. Also, you can pair this speaker with another one, the same model of course, and every single thing will be set up. Here, if you tap product information, you can see AirTouch. This speaker can join a stereo pair using this AirTouch. It can be disabled or enabled, or you can just set it up based on your preferences. You can change here this presets for the LED lights, but you can't change the color. Yeah, you know my opinion about it. That's it. Goodbye.